Good evening to all. This is matters assigned determinant. Purna class is already I have completed class 1 and class 2. This is class 3. Okay. The next topic of this matters assigned determinant is transpose. Transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. Simple definition is there. Yes, what is transpose of a matrix? A matrix transpose of a matrix A is denoted by A dash or A power capital T and is obtained by interchanging all rows into columns or columns into rows of a given matrix A. Yes, what is the definition right here? The transpose of a matrix A is denoted by A power T or A dash, A power T or A dash, and is obtained by interchanging rows into columns or columns into rows of a matrix A. Okay, simple concept is transpose of a matrix. Okay, example, simple example. If A is equal to, consider a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then what is its transpose? A dash. Yes, how we obtain A dash? Quite simple. Interchange rows of matrix A into columns. Interchange rows of matrix A into columns. How? 1, 2, 3 first column, 4, 5, 6 second column. Okay. Consider another one example. If matrix B, A, B, C, it is a row matrix, then what is its B dash? B dash is interchange rows into column. Only one row, we have one row, write in column A, B, C. Okay. Consider another one example. If C matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, then C dash is equal to 1, 2, 3, 7. Interchange rows into columns. First row 1, 2 become first column, 3, 7 second row become second column. This is the concept of transpose of a matrix. Okay, now another concept, equality of two matrices. Yes, when we say that two matrices are equal, okay, for that we have to discuss equality of two matrices. Two matrices, two matrices A and B are said to be equal. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of same order same order, and each elements of matrix A, each elements of matrix A are equal to corresponding elements of matrix B. Yes, two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of same order must be same, and each element of matrix A are equal to corresponding elements of matrix B. That is, for example, let us take matrix A, B, C, D, and matrix B, P, Q, R, S. These two matrices are said to be equal. Order is same, 2 by 2. A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. B is also a matrix of order 2 by 2. Both the matrix having same order. Okay. Here matrices A and B are said to be equal. Here matrix A is equal to B ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ matrices A and B are said to be equal if their corresponding elements must be equal. A must be equal to P ಇರಬೇಕು. If A is equal to P, comma B is equal to Q, comma C is equal to R, and D is equal to S. Okay, two matrices are said to be equal. What is the condition? Order must be same, and after that their corresponding elements are also equal. Then only we say that the given two matrices are equal. Yes, next concept is scalar multiplication of a matrix. Means a matrix is multiplied by some constant numbers. Okay, A is any matrix, then K into A. Here K is the scalar quantity, like 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A. Here 2, 3, 4, 5 are the numbers. Okay, if you have any one matrix A, then how to find 2A? Very simple. 2 is multiplied by each element of matrix A. 2 is multiplied by each elements of matrix A. Okay, definition is not necessary. I will show some examples. Okay, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 matrix, then scalar multiplication of a matrix, that is 2A. If you want 2A, then how to find 2A? Quite simple. 2 into, write the matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we do? Multiply each element of matrix A by 2. That is 2 into 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay. Similarly, 3A, 3 times of same matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, multiply all elements of matrix A by 3. 3 into 1, 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, suppose half fraction dagnu tagobodu. 1 by 2 times of A. 1 by 2 times of matrix A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 by 2 only. 1 by 2 into 2, 2 2 cancel, 1. 1 by 2 into 3, 3 by 2. Here 1 by 2 into 4, 4 by 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2. This is scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay, suppose adrolagade common ittandre we can take outside also. How? So one more example. Okay, if a is equal to some matrix is there, 4 8 2 10. Okay, here a is equal to all element is ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಇದೆ. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 into 1, 2 5s are 10. Okay, see here 2 is common, all element containing 2 we can take 2 outside here. We can take 2 outside. 2 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 4s are 8 ಇದು. 2 4s are 8, 4 is left, 1 is left, 5 is left. Here what we done here? We taken 2 common. This is scalar multiplication of a matrix concept.